This is an accident that I happened upon while getting back on the highway. It's right outside the U.S. Air Force Academy. I was the first person on scene, so I immediately established a blocking position, deployed some cones, checked for injuries, and started getting the debris out of the roadway. Here you can see the skid marks from the vehicle collision. So when I arrived, I made sure that I was parked well behind the incident to allow space for fire engines and first responders to park in front of me, so that way I maintained my position as the blocking vehicle the furthest back toward traffic. And I also made sure that I left some room on the right shoulder for other emergency vehicles to go around. So you can see state troopers show up, and shortly after, the fire department, also from the Air Force Academy, arrives on scene. After the state trooper arrives, I go check in with him, just see if he needs anything from me, and then shortly after, fire rescue arrives with 2 engines and what I assume is a battalion unit or a lieutenant. So here's my initial narration on the scene.
Alright, so this is an accident scene, I-25 northbound, 3 vans and I don't know, a pickup truck involved. I was the first one on scene. I've got Air Force Academy Fire and state troopers here now. So I'm just hanging out. I got nothing else going on, so I'm just hanging out doing traffic control.
So the fire department gets released from the scene, and state troopers taking photos of the skid marks, and I moved my vehicle up a little bit just to maintain a better blocking position. So eventually all the first responders clear out, and it's just me and the state trooper still on scene. And it turns out that the pickup truck that was involved in the incident just needs a tire change to get going again. So I move up to do that, and the state trooper moves into a blocking position behind me until I complete my work and we all clear the scene.